Welcome to Bill's Bridge Corner, Tuesday, February 25th, 2014. Class 125, the double automatic squeeze. Yesterday we covered the double squeeze. It consists of two positional squeezes, one on each of the two defenders. How can we have a double automatic squeeze? Well, let's see. Let's start with some terminology. Let's suppose that you hold Ace-King 7, opposite 6 in suit. The 7 of diamonds is a threat at the end of the Ace-King. This threat, when accompanied by a singleton in the other hand, is referred to as a recessed threat. It's hidden twice over. If that is the position, then it leaves room in the hand with a singleton for two one-card menaces or threats. This can lead to an automatic double squeeze, just like the single automatic squeeze. Look for a recessed threat as part of an automatic double squeeze. Here is the end position for an automatic double squeeze. Let's go through the suits. Spades is a menace in the south hand. Hearts is the squeeze suit, the suit that declares squeezes by leading. Diamonds is the pivot suit, a recessed threat in the dummy. And clubs is a menace also in the south hand. Let's lay out the cards at the end position. Here's what we have with the lead in declarer's hand. Declare leads the squeeze suit, the 10 of hearts. West is squeezed. He can't pitch the club because declare's 9 will be high, so he has to pitch a diamond. Therefore, dummy North pitches the 5 of clubs, and now East is squeezed. He can't pitch the spade because declare's 7 will be high, so he has to pitch a diamond. Now, declare has 3 diamond tricks. The recessed threat becomes an actuality. 3 diamond tricks, game, set, match. Points to ponder for an automatic double squeeze. The recessed threat is what creates the automatic squeeze. Each opponent is squeezed in different suits, and they must each discard from the pivot suit. If the east-west hands were reversed in the last example, the squeeze is still in effect, provided each player has a guard in one of the suits and has 3-card guard in the pivot suit. Notice that both menace cards, the 7 of spades and the 9 of clubs in this hand, are in the hand with a squeeze card, the 10 of hearts in this hand. In the following hand, diamonds are the pivot suit, and let's examine the contract and how we execute a double automatic squeeze. Here we go. Well, here we are. You're in 7 hearts, and West leads the Queen of clubs. Let's analyze. You have 3 spade tricks, 5 hearts, 2 diamonds, and 2 clubs. You need 1 more. Your 4th spade is a potential loser. One way you could play is you could try to rough the 4th spade out in hearts after you pull 2 trump. The problem is, of course, if the person with the short spades has 3 trump, you're going to go down. Of course, if spade split 3-3, it makes all day long, but that's not a very good odds. West's opening lead implies that he alone may be the guard to your 3rd round of clubs. He has Queen Jack and probably 4 or so. If East holds the guard in spades, which is likely, they usually split that way, let's say he has Jack fourth, double squeeze might develop, and diamonds, if you notice, is a recessed threat. Let's draw trump in 3 rounds after we win the first trick. Now let's cash the king of clubs. Now actually, this play is a Vienna coup because it sets up, presumably, West's jack of clubs. Now let's place where the cards we suspect might be. Let's test the spades. On the 3rd round, West shows out. So let's place the cards where we know they are. The situation we think at this point is that West has the jack of clubs, East has the jack of spades, and both have at least 3 diamonds. Now we run our trump, being sure to keep the pivot suit diamonds in dummy as a threat. Here we go. Lead the 10 of hearts. And let's see what we have. Well, it's exactly what we thought. First, West is squeezed. He has to hold on to the jack of clubs or your 9 of clubs will be good, so he has to pitch a diamond. You keep on to the 3 diamonds and pitch your 5 of clubs. And now East is squeezed. He's got to hold on to the spade, so he likewise has to pitch a diamond. Well, you're in like Flynn. You now have 3 diamond tricks, which you cash. Game, set, match. So you think we're done with squeezes? No, not yet. Hold on. Tomorrow, in class 126, we learn some more. The twin entry and recessed threats. We learned recessed threats today. Let's add twin entry. See you tomorrow.